Hi, welcome back to 7th X Films. I am Sriyam Raja Brahman. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do. And be with me till the end of this video. Here we go. In the dark age of what we call Kali Yuga, we are surrounded by electronics, all gadgets, but have been witnessing moral, psychological, social, political, economical degradation in human beings. Here, lower modes of material nature become so strong and attractive that people lose interest in spiritual programming of their inner self. They don't even hesitate doing so at the cost of innocent lives. Reason monkeys are 1,000 times better than fallen human beings. If one is not a man or a woman of principles, he or she would fall for every attractions, and principles without righteousness in your heart don't survive. Until your mind is aware of and withdrawn from the various distractions and agitation of worldly affairs that is provoked by selfishness, you cannot enter into the spirit of higher consciousness. If you can't enter into the mental state of higher consciousness, you would be highly incapable to bear the weight of righteousness in your heart, and that's a fact. And spiritually incapable people get hypnotized by their own misguided, ignorant feelings, carrying faulty beliefs, and they forget about others, making the world around them so sick, miserable, and disgraceful. You become either a sage or an evil with your deep driving desire, which is manifestation of your deeds, of your karma. Reason apes, monkeys are 1,000 times better than fallen human beings. Reason monkeys win you war of Ramayana. Fallen human beings destroy individuals, families, society, culture, and nations, just to satisfy their malfunctioning selfish desires. Reason monkeys make you Ram Setu, that is the biggest symbol of love the world has ever witnessed. And fallen human beings make you ISIS, Iraq, Syria, Kashmir, terrorist organizations, pornography, prostitution, human trafficking, fake religions, and ghostly cultures. Reason monkeys are definitely 1,000 times better than fallen human beings. Remember, by spreading true knowledge, we can combat those who spread ignorance and ill knowledge propaganda. See you again.